Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so now I am starting the class and okay, so now I am starting this class. Those who has already entered in the class are it's good, and we are not waiting for the others because it has already been 3 minutes in the class. So before starting this class, before moving to the exercise, uh, if anyone is having any questions, any doubts in the questions we have done till the questions, then you can ask your queries, your doubts, so that we can solve them. And after getting them done, we will move to the exercise. So you can raise your hands and ask your questions if you are having any queries and doubts. I am unmuting you so that you can ask your questions. Yes, Janvi, tell me.
Sir, question number 12 of exercise 5.2.
Question number 12, exercise 5.2, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So read out the question now. You can read the question.
Yes, sir. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms?
Okay. We are going to do this question, Janvi. That was the question I asked in the class that I'll be doing it today. So that will be the first question for our today's exercise.
Okay,
I will
sir.
let you know. I mean that will be taught in the class, so that will be covered. So before that, I mean prior to these questions, any question in which you have any doubt, you can ask me that. Anyone. I mean that this is for all of you. You need to understand what we have done, and if you all are able to understood it, then I am going to ask something. You all need to speak up. I mean, you cannot sit idle in the class, and I need you must be noticed by me that you are in the class and you are active in the class. So now let me ask you if you are not having any questions. Okay. So if you need to find out the nth term, then if you need to find out the nth term of an AP, what will you do? What is the identity to find out the nth term of an AP? Yes, Mayank, you can. Mayank,
an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d.
so that is an equals to, yes, Mayank.
A plus bracket
Mm-hmm.
n minus 1
Mm-hmm.
bracket
Into D.
close into d.
Into D.
Okay, good. So this is the formula through which you can find out the nth term. Now, my next question is how we can determine whether the given series is in AP or not. How we can determine that?
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
Sir,
Go ahead.
may I?
Sir, by the finding of common difference D.
Common difference.
If the common difference is same, then it forms AP. If the common difference is different, then it's not an AP.
Okay, good answer. So now I am writing a series, and you need to tell me whether this is in AP or not. Okay, so this is an example I have note down on board. The first number is 13, 16, 24, 30, 37, and so on.
Sir, no, sir.
So
No, sir. No, sir. It is not 10 AP.
hello,
It is not an AP because the common difference is not same.
this is not an AP. Okay, so the reason why this is not an AP?
Sir, because
Difference
common
is not
difference
same.
between them.
Okay, you can mute your
Not
mics, and you can mute your mics, and those who want to answer, they can raise their hand, or I'll name the children to answer me. Okay, so raise your hand. Nitin, yes, Samarth, go ahead and answer me. Samarth. Okay, Anupurvi, you can answer this question.
Sir, it is
Yes,
not
sir. This is not.
because its common difference is not same.
Okay, I believe common difference is same. You can see here the common difference is 6. Common difference is again 6. So we have common differences same. You can see that, right?
No, excuse me,
But
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, the six.
24
Sir,
it is
between 13 and 16 is 3 only.
Just a minute, Dave, I mean, someone is having some background noise, so please mute your mic. Okay, Janvi, go ahead.
Sir, between 13 and 16 there is a difference of 3.
3, yes, sir.
Okay, so just a minute. Now we have the common difference as 3. Okay. What about this one?
Sir,
8.
8.
Sir, 8. 8.
8.
Okay, so now we have common difference. The first common difference is 3, then the common difference is 8, then the common difference is 6, and then the common difference
7.
is
7.
7.
7.
Okay, so all the time the common difference is not same.
Same.
That is the reason this is not an
AP.
AP. Okay, good. So AP means a series which is having a common difference, and if the common difference, as I am telling you, common difference means the difference is same. So if the common difference is there, then the given series can be called as AP. And we have already known about the identity, how we can find out the nth term of an AP. And the same identity, the identity which is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The same identity can be used to find out any of the value. Suppose if we are not given a, then still we will use the same identity. And if we are not given n, we will use the same identity. Either if we are not given d, still the same identity will work. So if any of the value is missing from this identity, then the other 3 values, there are 4 values, an, a, n, and d. So there are 4 values given, and you will be asked to find out one missing term. Suppose that missing term may be a. If a will be asked, then the other 3 terms, an, n, and D, that will be given to you. If N will be asked to you, then the three terms AN, A and D will be given to you. And if D is asking, suppose if D is asking to you from you, then the other three terms, which is N, A and AN, that will be given to you. So one term will be asked and other three terms will be given to you. Okay. Okay. So I believe you all are clear with what AP is and how we can find out the missing term of an AP
Yes,
with
sir.
the identity.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now mute your mics.
Yes, sir.
And if you are having any questions prior to question number 12 from exercise 5.2, you can ask me now. You can raise your hand and I'll explain you how you can do that question. Else we'll be moving towards the question number 12 of exercise 5.2. No questions? Okay, good. So now we'll be doing question number 12. Now, Janvi, you can, as you were asking about that question, so you can tell me what the verbiage of that question. Okay, speak up now, Janvi.
The
Question
question.
number, yes, question number 12.
Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term
Hmm.
is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms?
Okay. Okay. So now I'm coming back to the question. Question number 12 says there are two APs and the common difference of their 100 term is 100. And we need to find out the common difference of their 1000 term. What will be the common difference of their 1000 term? So suppose we have taken first AP and the other one will be second AP. Okay. So first AP, we don't have any numbers. What is that AP is, but we can note it like AN1 equals to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. You can it like D1. For the second, that will be AN2 equals to A2 plus N N1 and N2 minus 1, and that will be D2. So we are assuming the first AP as AN1, A1, N1 minus 1, that will be same, and D1. In the second AP, we are taking N2, A2, here is N2, and that is D2. Now I am coming back to the question. The question says the common difference of their 100th term of both the APs is 100. So in this one, question says 100 terms, so N will be 100. So that you can say that A 100 equals to A1, that remains the same, plus 100 minus 1 multiplied by D1. And the other one can be written as A100 equals to A2 plus, again, and that is having 100 terms, so that is 90, 100 minus 1, and that's D2. Okay, now question says that the difference of both these terms is 100. So I am subtracting this series, this AP and this AP, and getting the difference as 100. So that is A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D2. So when we are subtracting this AP, I mean this AP from this AP, we'll be getting 100 as difference. So that is 100. Now I have put all the APs in this in the order which is given in the question. So now opening up this bracket, the second bracket, that's A1 plus 99D1 minus A2, and that will be minus 99D2 equals to 100. This is what we have given. Now if we go back to the question, then the question is saying that the common difference is same. So when the common difference is same, then D of both the APs are also same. So I'm subtracting in, I mean I'm placing the value of D1 and D2 as same. So that will be A1 plus 99 D1 minus A2 minus 99, that will also be D1, and it is 100. Now 99 D1 and that 99 D1 will be cancelling with each other. So that will become A1 minus A2 equals to 100. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is equation number 1. Next, the second one. Now question is asking what will be the common difference when these APs are having 1000 term. So what will be the difference of these AP if the number of terms are given as 1000? So we'll be doing the same way, but now we are taking n as 1000. Earlier we have taken it as 100 because it was given 100 term, and now it is given as 1000 term. So we are taking n as 1000. So the same identity, an1 equals to a1 plus n1 minus 1 into d, and that is an2 equals to a2 plus n2 minus 1 into d. So that will be an 1000 equals to a1 plus, now that n will be 1000 minus 1 into d, an 1000 equals to a2 plus that 1000, same thing, 1000 minus 1 into d. So the question is asking about the difference between both the series. So I am taking them in order. A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D, and we need to find this value. So let's solve it. A1 plus 999D minus, that will become minus, and 999D will also become in subtract minus sign. Let's suppose it is x, or supposing that one, in fact that will be the answer. So keep it like this. So now 999D is having plus, and this 999D is having minus. So both will be.
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
Cancel out.
आवाज नहीं आ रही?
Yes, sir. नहीं आ रही.
It is audible now. It is audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, audible.
नहीं सर.
मैं एक बार माइक ऑफ करके वापस करता हूँ. चलो ठीक है, आप सब एक बार Am I audible to you, all of you? No?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes sir.
Video is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, good. So now that 999D and that 999D plus and minus, they got subtracted, and now we have A1 minus A2. Now we have the value of A1 minus A2 is 100 in the equation number 1. So I am putting the same value here, A1 minus A2. I am taking A1 minus A2 from equation number 1, and the answer is 100. So the difference between 1000 term will also be 100. Okay, you can mention it as from equation 1. This is our answer. You can note it down, and please note it down a little bit quickly.
sir, listen.
सर एक बार पहले वाला दिखा दो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले.
Sure.
राइट वाला.
एक second. Here it is. Done?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you please show that one? The
Mhm.
another part.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get that.
So can you please show the another part of this question which you did over there? No, sir. I've taken this one. Yes, sir. This one. Thank you, sir.
Hmm. Is it done now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now moving towards the next question. I believe 13 question and 14 question were given in homework yesterday, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
could have been done by everyone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so please show me your copy so that I can also know that you have done your practice. And I'll be naming those for whom I want to check the copy. Okay. So Charitavya, Kuldeep, and Pranjal, please show me your copies. I am not able to see you. I am not able to see your copies. Okay, Charitavya. Hold it, Charitavya, so that I can see that. Okay, Kuldeep. Okay, Charitavya. Kuldeep. Charitavya, you can. Okay, good. Kuldeep. Are you there in the class?
सर अभी नोट नहीं किया.
Kuldeep, I am asking about the homework I have given yesterday.
तो भूल गया करना.
Pranjal, good. Kuldeep, I'll be checking these questions tomorrow,
Okay sir.
and you need to do the 3 questions which I have given yesterday along with the questions I am going to give in today's class. So make sure that you are doing all the questions. Okay.
Okay sir.
Sir, tomorrow is holiday, na?
Tomorrow is Sunday. It is but obvious that it is holiday.
नहीं
Then
सर क्लास होगी.
are you talking about Monday?
नो सर, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कल संडे, कल क्लास होगी.
नहीं 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 नहीं, अभी तक हुई है क्या क्लास?
नहीं नहीं सर.
No, sir.
Sunday
आपने
is
बोला
always
ना
a
कि
holiday.
कल. ओके सर.
Okay, so the next question is question number 15, right? Okay, so question number 15, can anybody read out for me?
Sir, may
Yeah. Okay, Indrajit, go ahead and read that question.
For what value of n are the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal?
3, 10, 17. Okay, so there are two APs given. First is 63, 65, 67 and so on, and the other one is 3, 10 and 17 and so on, right? So there are two APs given, and the question we need to find is the same term of both the APs. So Indrajit, can you read out the first part again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the value of n are the nth term of 2.
For the value of n. So both the APs will be having a same term, and we need to identify what will be the n, means the number of terms for that particular term. So we are creating the identity for this one, and then again we are creating the identity for the other AP. So the first AP will be, as it is saying, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that will be an keep it like an equals to a is 63 plus, we don't know what is n minus 1, so we are keeping it the same, and we have d, so d is 2.
2.
Okay, now come back to this one, the same thing, an equals to a is 3 plus, we don't know what is the value of n, so keep it like this, and d is 7. Okay, now question says that the one, that there is a term which is common in both the APs. So it says that an of both the terms are same. So we are putting these terms against each other. So that will be 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 equals to 3 plus n minus 1 equals to 7, because both the ANs are same. This is given in the question. So now we need to calculate that one. 63 plus, multiply that 2, it's 2n minus 2 equals to, this will be 3 plus 7 will be multiplied by n minus 1, so that is 7 and n minus 7. Okay, so 63 will be subtracted here, so that will be 61 plus 2n equals to, and that 7 will be subtracted here, so that will be minus 4 plus 7n. So that's 61, and that 4 will be transposed from RHS to LHS, will become in addition. So 61 plus 5 4.
The 4.
Right. So that will be 61 plus 4, and that 2n will transfer from LHS to RHS. That will be 7n minus 2n. So 61 plus 4 is 65 equals to 7n
5.
minus 2n. That will
5.
be 5n. And when we are putting 5n from RHS to LHS, transposing that one, so that will be 65 upon 5.
13.
So
13.
right, good. The value of n will be 13. So the 13 term of both the APs are same. You can note it down.
Noted.
I hope everyone can see that.
सर
Yes,
सर मैंने पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर ली
that's very nice, very good. It means that your concept of AP is clear. So that is very nice. I hope all are taking this as an initiative and complete the exercise, because this exercise is very simple. If you have gone through the identity an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that identity can solve each and every question of this exercise. So that is very easy exercise, I can say. Mayank,
Yes, sir.
what about you? Have you done with the
I
other
completed
questions?
whole chapter.
Whole chapter. So that's again very good. I mean, I can say that you all are taking interest in this exercise, and this is really very nice. I hope the other students are also doing it from today onwards and complete the exercise, and the other exercises after this exercise. This is really very easy chapter. Are all done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am moving towards the next question. The next question is question number 16. Next question, question number 16. It states determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So we need to identify the AP. We have given the third term of this AP. The third term of this AP is 16. So A3 equals to A plus 2D, and it is given 16 equals to A plus 2D. So I am putting that in equation, that is equation number 1. And for the other two terms, it is given that the difference it says the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So seventh term can be written as A7 equals to A plus 6D, and fifth term, so that will be A5 equals to A plus 4D. Good. So question
आपकी
says
आवाज कम आ रही है.
A7 is greater than by A5 by 12. So the difference of A7 and A5 is 12. So I am putting that situation in an equation. It is like A7 minus A5
12.
equals to 12. And now I am putting these terms in the equation. A7 is a plus 6d minus a5 will be a plus 4d. So that is a plus 4d equals to 12. Now simplify the equation. A plus 6d, it's minus a and it's minus 4d equals to 12. Now a will be subtracted. We have 6d minus 4d, which is 2d equals to 12, and the value of d equals to 12 upon 2, which is 6. So we have common difference as 6. Now we have the value of common difference and we can find out the value of a. So put that d equals to 6 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 16 equals to a plus 2d. Now this is 16 equals to a plus 2 into 6. Now transpose 12 from RHS to LHS, it will be in minus 10. So that is 4. Now we have the value of a. Mute the mics. Okay. Now we have the value of a. We have the value of d. We have both the values, and as question says, we need to find out the AP. We need to create the AP. So the AP will be starting from 4. So that is 4, and the common difference is 6. So next term will be 10, and the next term will be 16, then 22, then so on. So this is our AP. Are you done?
सर एक बार लेफ्ट साइड वाला दिखा दीजिए ना.
यस सर.
Okay, okay.
हाँ ये वाला.
This.
सर इतना ही है क्या?
Yes.
सर एक बार राइट साइड वाला दिखा दो.
हाँ एक सेकंड, ये वाला हो गया?
यस सर.
Yes
Okay,
sir.
this part is done. Okay, good. Now this part. From tomorrow, you all need to be in the class by 10:30 because we are waiting for 3-4 minutes and then we start the class. So that 3-4 minutes are wastage of time. And now as the class is getting over in few minutes, so that 3-4 minutes are very important for us. Hello?
Sir, we have to rejoin.
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay sir.
Okay sir.
So if you are done till here, then I am going to give you some practice question for homework. Question number 19 and question number 20, these will be done in homework. I'm explaining question number 19 and question number 20. How can you do that? And we'll be doing that in your homework. Just a minute. Okay. So question number 19, it says, Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. In which year did his income reach to 7,000? So we have given a situation where Subba Rao start his working from 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So 5,000 will be as A, and as he is having an increment of rupees 200 each year, so that 200 will be difference, common difference.
Sir, increment मतलब?
Increment, it means if you are getting 100 rupees as your pocket money per month, and after completing 1 year you are getting 20 rupees hike in your pocket money, so that will become 120 rupees. So that 20 rupees is your increment. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have given 5000 as A, common difference given as 200, and we have given AN as 7000, and we need to find out the N. So that will be like 7000 equals to 5000 plus N minus 1, and D is 200. You can put the equation in, put the values in this form, and then do the calculations for question number 19. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find out. You need to find out the term N. Next, question number 20. So question number 20 says, Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75. If in the nth week her her weekly savings become 20.75 rupees, then find N. Very simple. The same way this is, I mean, the 19 and the 20 questions are the same. We have given ₹5. So
सर
that
आपकी
5,
आवाज कम आ रही है.
okay. We have given 20.75 as AN. So that will be AN equals to 5 rupees. She has started from ₹5. So that is 5 plus N minus 1, and D is 1.75. So that is for question number 20. You can calculate that one. 20.75 equals to 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75. We have done both the questions. How you can do it, you just need to calculate that one, and you'll get the answers in question number 19 and question number 20. I hope all have noted down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I'm concluding the class now.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir.
Same to all of you.